cutting off my lace, I'm not gonna go in a straight line. I'm gonna use the tip of my scissors, and I'm just gonna go like in a rigid, raggedy, I don't know, motion, just so it doesn't have to be straight, because when it's straight, it looks a little too perfect, and a perfect hairline is not realistic. So I cut the lace off, and you're gonna see me cut these little pieces of the lace off just so you can have a seamless closure. And my got to be freeze spray, and I'm spraying the inside of my lace, and then I'm gonna take my hair dryer and I'm gonna blow dry it until it's dry. Now let's put this wig on, and I'm putting this on glueless. I'm not going to use any adhesive, just strictly got to be freeze spray. So you'll see me go in and lift my lace up, freeze spray a little bit, and blow dry that baby in place, and it's gonna hold just as strong as glue would. I kid you not. I do it all the time. I run, I like to sling my hair and do the whole 9, and my hair stays in place where it needs to be. Basically be done and go into styling, but me, I'm extra, so I'm gonna pull out some baby hairs and make it kind of resemble a frontal, because I like when closures look like that. Like, I don't know, it looks so cute. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do at this very moment. As far as my baby hairs, I never know which way I want them to go, how I want them to lay. I just play with them until they look the right way, like until they look like presentable, because yeah, like I literally play with my hair until it looks right. So I'm no guru, I don't know, but if you like to see how I do mine, let me know in the comment section below, and I will gladly make a video. Or if you like to see anything other than what I'm doing, just let me know in the comment section. Doing this, I was so sick. But I got my closure together, as you can see. Bomb. guys, I be so scared to cut my hair because I did not go to school for any of this stuff. I'm just like a fast learner, and I'm good with my hands, and I'm really creative, so I like doing cool stuff. Hair is one of the cool things I like to do. I get it done, but I be scared every time, like every time. Like I said, I did not go to school, so do not make fun of me. I am struggling with these curls, y'all. But oh my gosh, that is so ugly. But I'm gonna get it together. Oh my gosh, that was horrible. Yeah, so this is what it looked like afterwards. It doesn't look totally bad, but that's not the look I was going for. I was really sick that day. I was rushing. I just wanted to get it done. But on a perfect day, this is what your girl looked like. Poppin'. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.